guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm doing an epic easy recipe for you. Today we are doing broccoli seekh kebab. Let's quickly go and see the recipe.
So here I have 2 cups of broccoli. I have grated this into really fine, really small pieces. To that I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, cinnamon powder. Next we have, that is salt. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of almond powder. So that's about 10 to 20 almonds with skin I have just grated. Lastly I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of dried coriander powder. Now I'm going to mix this really well and make into small dough. Now I'm going to use little olive oil so that I can bind this mixture well. You can also add almond flour according to your taste if you feel that you're making more mixture. So I'm going to add a little more almond flour to it. So here we have our broccoli seekh kebab. And our broccoli seekh kebab is ready. We're gonna just put very little olive oil on the pan and we're gonna cook it until it's slightly golden. There you go. Our broccoli seekh kebabs are ready. Simple, yummy and super easy to make.
So our broccoli seekh kebabs are ready. They're loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C and they're extremely high in fiber. They are an easy snack also to carry it along in your tiffin for the whole day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core pilates and really amazing recipes. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time.